Alright, so today we got ourselves a little Craftsman LT 1000. It's got the 21 horsepower Intech Briggs and Stratton engine. I mean, I like that engine. I worked on a couple. Yeah, 21 horsepower. It has an issue though. Gentleman said that he went and put some spindles, brand new spindles, but he impacted them and it caught, and yeah, it broke. That one broke, and I believe that one stayed okay, but we'll see, right? Yeah, we're gonna see if we can't turn this old girl around. Yeah, let's get to it. First of all, let's see if we got spark and all that good stuff. All that la jazz. There we are. Now we can get a good look at her. Boy, those are big engines for them little bitty old things, ain't they? The battery's got to be dead. It's old and nasty. But yeah, let's see if we can just jump that battery off real quick and see if we got spark. Let me do like the guys do with the car channels. They say put that on there, and then you touch this, see if you got any spark. Oh yeah. All right. I'm just playing. I like those car shows. I like that Vice Grip Garage. I like all those car shows. But Brock's done working on cars, so you can forget about all of that. All right, hold on to your chuckles. Hold on there, chuckles. Well, that's a good little running engine, isn't it? What do you think, Chuckles? Alright, well, that's not a problem. Except for the battery. That's okay, we can figure that out later on. Well, let's go after that, deck then, next. Yeah, alright. Yeah, my son Tyler, he gave me this years ago. I like this little thing. I use it sometimes. Not as a toolbox though, but I use it as a little cart. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get this doggone deck off of here. My back's hurting today, so I'm using this stool. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy. Isn't that nuts? Look, it shredded the belt all the heck. Yeah, I think it hit something. What do you guys think? Goodness gracious. Oh. Am I ever gonna win the lotto? I don't think so. Where's the complaints department? Goodness gracious. Well, there it lies. After some choice words. Not sponsored by Jesus, I have not had. Let's see here. Goodness gracious. What in the world? Look at this. Huh. Look at this. Oh. Well, it pays to be a hoarder. Because there we are. That look about right? Hope so. Yeah. That is something else, isn't it? Something else altogether. Yeah. We'll get one of them cameras that follow you around the shop. That'd be interesting. Alright, get these off of here. Okay. Okay. Don't tell me that's just hand loose there, eh? Yeah, sure is. Boy, the things you pick up on the marketplace, eh? Huh. Oh boy. Is it just gonna fall right through? That'd be kind of magical, wouldn't it? Well, that thing just fell out of there. Oh boy. Yeah, that don't look too bad, does it? That's probably brand new. Bonus. Alright. Boy, oh boy. It's all tangled up in there. There we go. Let's clean that up a little bit. Okay, let's check this function real quick. All right. What's keeping that to? Okay. I don't know why there's self-tapping screws anywhere, but you know, whatever. Come on. Oh, let's get those out of there too. Those no longer need to be in there. Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. I have to put that one back on there. Okay. Let me put that other spindle back on there. Get that other one off of here real quick. We could just take them all out at once. And then it's always got to be the one. Come on now. Play games. There you are. All right. Let's inspect that ring. Make sure. Well, no, our other one's got the ring on it. I forgot. I saved on those too. Okay. Before we put these spindles on, let's do a Facebook rebuild. Ooh-wee. Look at that 10-foot paint job. Yeah, it didn't turn out too bad, did it? New spindles are on. All right, let's move on. There's the Stins part number for it. Now, I got a suspicion something going on in there. You see all that? So let's open that up real quick. Get this shroud off of here. Oh, this thing is dying. Oh. Let me swap this battery out real quick. It's perfect time to try out this Vanon Pro replacement battery for my impact. Come with a nice little instruction manual. Yeah. Okay. That's nice and heavy. 18 volt. 5-hour battery. See how much charge it's got. It's got 3 cells. That's good. All right, cool. I'll use that real quick. Oh, that's a lot better. Oh yeah. All right, we're gonna leave those in there a little bit. There we go. Nice. Okay. That's not bad. Yeah, they sent me 2 of them. Huh. Very cool. Yeah, that Vanon Pro, they not only have Milwaukee, they have DeWalt and that, and a whole bunch of other Ryobi, and they have a bunch. So I'll put that link in the description. Yeah, check it out. Yep. Yeah, let's see if we have any rodent activity here. I hope not. I don't like mice. No. Oh, thank God. It was just a little bit on that, but you never know. You never know. Okay. That is fantastic. These engines are notorious for getting rodents in there and overheating. So let me show you real quick. You may already know this, but this is basically a fan like in your car to cool down your radiator. And it blows through these fins right here. These cooling fins are called. And when those get packed up with rodent activity and leaves and debris, it can't properly cool down the head. And so you get head gaskets blown. And these are really, really known for that. Okay, moving on. Okay, put all back together now. Let's put that on there. It's always nice when there's no critter activity. Yeah. Oh yeah. I think I have a bagging system for this one. Yeah, the gentleman did say he just got done doing an oil change on it. Oh, and I believe him. Look at that. Full and clean. Said he did the filter too. All right. Moving on. Yeah, put in the comments if you like when it's got a separate choke or it's got a choke built into the throttle. Yeah, I like separate choke myself. Well, you can usually find your numbers right here. That 144959 is your mower deck belt. Yeah. too bad. I appreciate everybody following along today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now. Just need that bagger on there, and I think I'm going to swap out the seat. But yeah, nice little machine. Yeah, I'm waiting on the bracket that goes back there for the bagging system. I wait on that. Always waiting on parts.